Welcome to RGS Botany. I'm back with a new video on topic organism and environment, which belongs to the fourth unit of second year, that is ecology. First of all, we have to know what is ecology. It is the interrelationship between living organism and the environment. And the term ecology was coined by German biologist, that is Ernst Haeckel, in 1869. Writer is called as father of ecology, and ecology has two main branches. One is articology and other one is synecology. First of all, what is articology? Articology, it is the relationship between environment and an organism. The relationship between the organism and the environment is called as articology. And what is synecology? It is the relationship between environment and community. Community is a group of population. Coming to the next subheading, that is hierarchy of organization. Hierarchy means a orderly arrangement. It is of three types. One is physical hierarchy, biological hierarchy, and other one is ecological hierarchy. Coming to the topic here, physical hierarchy, it is the smallest particle which consists of protons, neutrons and electrons, and which combines to form atom, and atoms combine to form molecule which constitute chemical compound, and compound unite to form compound complex which leads to a formation of cell, and which is a formation of cell for biological classification. Then comes the cell, from where the biological hierarchy starts. Cell aggregate or cell combine to form tissues, and the group of tissues combine to form organ unite to form organ system together form a multicellular organism, and which forms the base of ecological hierarchy. So, ecological hierarchy or environmental hierarchy, there are four levels of ecological organization. First one is, it starts with the organism. Organism is single life form, and the level of organism includes like microorganism, fungus, plants and animals. But organisms are producing response to stimuli. These are the characteristics. The organisms response to stimuli, reproduction, growth and development, maintenance or balance of homeostasis. So these are all the characteristics of an organism. An individual organism is the basic unit of ecological hierarchy. Then comes, after organism, it forms a population. It is a group of individuals of same species living together in a common area at a particular time. So different population of same organism present in a particular geographical area is called as DIMS. A local population adapted genetically, that means genetic constitution are same to a particular environment, is called as ecotypes. So you have to remember what is ecotype. This is one of the most important short type. Ecotype is the population which adapts its genetic constitution similar to a particular environment. A group of population together form a community. A group of organisms of different species. When it comes up same species, it is called as population, but when it comes as different species living in same area and interacting with each other through competition, predation, there must be a mutual understanding, that is mutualism, etc., then it comes under community. Each biotic community has specific composition and structure. For example, we can say pond community or forest community. These are all the examples of community. After community, it forms ecosystem. It refers to a group of organisms of different species living in the same area, interacting with each other and non-living surrounding. The organism interact with the non-living surroundings. Next is biome, a large regional unit delimited by a specific climatic zone having a particular major vegetation zone and associated fauna. Fauna means animals. For example, like tropical rainforest, temperate deciduous forest, etc. Then comes biomes forms biosphere, which is also called as ecosphere or a zone of life on earth. So what is biosphere? It is biologically inhabited part of earth along with physical environment consisting of lower atmosphere, land and water bodies. And among the all ecological hierarchy, it is the largest level in the ecology. So the hierarchy of hierarchy of organization is, it starts with organism, which is the individual unit, next population, then forms community, then ecosystem, then form landscape, then forms biomes, and biomes forms a biosphere. So this is the hierarchy or orderly arrangement of an organization. It is habitat. It is a specific area or place in which an organism lives, and it represents a suitable set of environmental conditions for growth and reproduction of organisms. Habitat support a number of species. More than one organism may be present in same habitat. Habitat is of two types. One is microhabitat and other one is monotypic habitat. Microhabitat is the subdivision of habitat having different organism and environmental condition. For example, like muddy bottom and surface water are microhabitat of pond habitat, and monotypic habitat where some species that replace and prevent the growth of other species. That means they do not allow to grow other species. So it is called as habitat. For example, if we say a plant growing in aquatic medium or watery medium is called as hydrophyte. That means the plant which grows in aquatic medium, that is called as hydrophyte. And if a plant growing in sandy area, that is called as zamophytes. That means the place where the organism lives, where the organism grow and where their reproduction occur, is called as habitat. Next is Nike. Nike means nest. Here, Nike is a little bit similar to habitat. That means here the total interpretation or interaction of a species with its environment or functional position or status of a species or population in ecosystem. That means here the organism or a species represents their status and their profession, their address and their profession. Both address and profession is important for a species, that is called as Nike. Ecological Nike depend on species structural adaptation, physical response and their behavior. The term Nike was first coined by Joseph Grinnell in 1917. Nike is the total of or sum total of habitat requirement where the species grow that allows the species to persist and reproduce, and it is considered how organism or population respond and alter the competition and distribution of resources where the competition occurs between the species. And Nike represent the position of an organism or a population in a particular ecosystem. Nike include not only physical space occupied by an organism but also the functional role in the community. That means a species living in an area represents its address and its functional role, for which it is called as profession of an organism. That means Nike represents both address and profession of the organism. By occupying different Nike, animals escape from competition. And Nike occupied by a species is favorable to it because it furnishes the suitable substratum, it furnishes the suitable base and microclimate for it. So The difference between the habitat and Nike is habitat is the area where the species survive, and Nike represents the area or address and its functional role, that is for address as well as its profession. So this is the most important difference between the habitat and Nike. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Thank you.